We begin this morning in Cleveland, Ohio, as Ariel Castro gets set to make his first appearance in court. Charged in a kidnapping sex crimes case that grows more disturbing with every passing hour. We're going to get right into it now with CBS News reporter Vanita Nair, who's live outside the city municipal court, and it is there that Castro is set to appear in just a matter of hours. Vanita, what do we expect will unfold there this morning?
Well, keep in mind, 52-year-old Ariel Castro is still in the jail. As you mentioned, he's expected to make his first public appearance in court today. We can also tell you that the two brothers remain in custody, but that we now know they will not be facing any charges. Authorities are saying they had the opportunity to speak with these three women who have now told them that the other brothers appeared to have played no role in the abduction, as well as any of the abuse that allegedly took place in that home on Seymour Street for close to 10 years. At his first public court appearance, we're being told the defense attorneys will lay out some sort of defense for Ariel Castro, but we're not hearing much about what actually will transpire today. Heather?
But it is scheduled to begin 8:30 Eastern time, Vanita, correct? So just in a matter of 2.5 hours?
Yes, that's absolutely correct. You know, there's already a sea of media here eagerly anticipating. As you guys mentioned, there was a suicide note that was allegedly found. And in this note, Ariel Castro himself says, quote, "I'm a sexual predator. I need help." Now, we're being told that note was allegedly written in 2004, which on the timeline means it was written shortly after the kidnapping of Gina DeJesus. And in the note, he goes on to say, these women were not tricked. He simply asked them if they wanted a ride home. They got into his car. In the note, we're being told he shows signs of remorse as to why he never turned himself in, or if nothing moved forward, if he had those signs of remorse. There are some early reports that at this time he felt like once the three women were in the home, it was simply too late to turn around at that point and release them back to the public.
Vanita, the suicide note was one very important detail we got yesterday. We also continued to get a picture of the conditions in which these three women lived for the past 10 years and the types of experience they endured, experiences. Can you give us some more of those details?
You know, it's a really gruesome picture to paint. People have called it a house of horrors. From police, we've learned there was chains, there were ropes, and that these women, some of them were having multiple miscarriages, and they were beaten to ensure that the pregnancy did not make it to full term.